Hello students, welcome to online class. Today we will do some questions of exercise 15.1 of class 8. In this exercise we are doing questions related to graph. So let's start. In this question graph is given. This is the graph related to number of peoples present in a store at a particular time. That means at 10 a.m. number of peoples we can find out from this line. So we have to give the answers of some questions by analyzing this graph. So first question is, what type of a graph is this? As we can see that this is a straight line graph because there is no any bar or a histogram. So we can say that this is a line graph. So answer of first part is, this is a line graph. Next question is, what information does the graph give? As this is given in the statement that this is the graph of number of people present in a store. So we can say that it is a graph of number of peoples present in a store. Next part is, what is the busiest time of day at this shop? We can see from the graph, this is the highest point of this graph, and when we find out the exact number, this is 25, and the time we can find out from this line. When we join this point, we get 1. That means at 1 p.m. there are 25 people who are present in the shop. So we can say that this is the busiest time because at this time the shopkeeper is very busy because there are 25 people in the shop. So we can say that 1 p.m. is the busiest time. Next part is, how many people enter the shop when it opens? Shop open at 10 a.m. and here the line is less than 5. So we can say when the shop open, there are people less than 5. Number of people is less than 5. Number of people is less than 5. So this is our question. Next question is, in next question, data is given. We have to draw the graph. Data of a gross profit of a company of many years is given. We have to draw the graph of this data. So first of all, we will write here the given data. This is related to many years. First year, second year, third year, fourth and 5. And gross profit is given in 10,000 rupees. This is 170,000. Next is 150, 120, 130 and 145. We have to draw its graph. So we will take one line on x-axis and second one in the y-axis. We can take year on the x-axis. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This line is representing years. Next is profit. In the data of profit, minimum point is 120 and the maximum point is 170. So we can take the interval like 50, 100, 150 and 200. This line is representing profit. Now find out the points. First point is 1 and 170. 1 and 170 it will be between in 150 to 200. So join these points, then we get our first point. Next is 2 and 150. This is 2 and 150. Join these points. We get here at this position. Next is 3 and 120. 3 and 120 will be here. So this is our next point. 4 and 130. This is 4 and 130 will be between 100 to 150. This is next point, and last one is 5 and 145. So these are points. Just join these points. Then we get the graph of this data. Next question is, Ajita starts off from home at 7 a.m. with her father on a scooter that goes at a uniform speed of 30 km per hour. In this question, first of all, we will write the given data from the statement, that is speed of a scooter. Speed of a scooter is 30 km per hour. Then Ajita reached at school after half an hour. That means time taken by Ajita to reach the school is half an hour. So from the speed and time, we can easily find out the distance, because formula of distance is speed multiply time. Speed multiply time. Then we get here the distance between Ajita home to school. Next is she stays at school. She stays at school up to 13:30 hours. That means 1 and 30 hours. Then after the departure, she takes an auto rickshaw. Speed of auto rickshaw is also given. Then she came back to home. So speed of rickshaw is 10 km per hour. And we know the distance between the school and her home is 15 km. So time taken by rickshaw, we can find out time by the distance divided by speed. So this is half an hour. That means when she came back to home, departure time of school is 1:30 and she took the time 1.5 years. That means she came back to home at 3 p.m. So this is our main data, 15 km, 10 km. Now we have to draw its graph. In graph, on x-axis we will take the time, and on the y-axis will represent the distance, and this will be represent time. She start his journey at 7 a.m. Then she reached at school 7:30. Then she stays at school up to 1:30 and she came back to home at 3 p.m. So this is the main time which is given in the question, and in the distance she covered the distance up to 15 kilometers. So we can just take 15 kilometers. So first of all, when she start at 7 a.m. she reached the school at 7:30. So we have to join 7:30 and p.m. and 15. Then up to 1:30 she stays at school. Then she come back to home at 3 p.m. So this is the data of this given questions. Okay.